In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the process of changing your GPS location on an Android smartphone using a Samsung Galaxy S23 as an example. It's important to follow the instructions carefully to avoid any mistakes. First, head to the Play Store and search for Location Changer. Install the app with the gray icon and open it. Allow the app to access your device's location. Once opened, it will detect your current location. To change your location, tap Show Map, select a new location by holding your finger on the map. Then tap Start. If it's your first time using the app, you'll need to enable mock locations in your device's developer options. To do this, go to Settings, MA see Software Information, Build Number, App It, 47 times enter Pinter Developer Option, select Mock Location app, you choose Location Changer. Once configured, return to the app, select your desired fake location, and tap Start. Follow any prompts to allow notification access, and watch ads if prompted. Once completed, your GPS location will be changed. You can verify this by checking on apps like Google Maps. Remember, this process may vary slightly depending on your device model and Android version. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button.